So when we are talking about a SEP, that is a standard essential patent. Now there are standard setting organizations. Okay, so I guess a little bit basic information only I am giving so that you can appreciate the case laws related to this, which we are going to discuss in this module. So a standard setting organization, for example, if I want to give a classic example, we know that in engineering IEEE is an organization which sets under standards. So these standards we are following it across the globe. For example, suppose you take some other example I am giving you, the timeline you just check. So we have a standard related to the timeline, and we see that Greenwich line as a standard, that is a reference point, and then accordingly all over the world the time is set. So standard is accepted all over the world. Similarly, in patents, there are some patents which are essential so that the particular gadget or the particular product which you are using, which will have that particular equal kind of or a standard will be maintained across the globe. So for example, you have probably heard about the use of C line